I'm Christiane, a consultant for Thermomix USA, and today I'll be going over the chopping function of the Thermomix TM6. Alright, so here I've cut my onion in half. You don't need to do any other chopping besides that. So now I'm going to go ahead and put my onions inside the Thermomix. And then close it with the lid and the mixing cup. And we're going to go ahead and do about 3 seconds. I hit my speed dial and turn it to speed 5. So as you can see, this chopped it pretty fine. This is great for soups when you don't want the onions so chunky. Looks great. Okay, so next I'm going to show you how to chop a carrot. I usually like to break it a couple times, throw it in. And we're going to set our time for about 3 seconds and our speed to speed 5. And we've got some chopped carrots. Okay, the last thing I'm going to show you is celery. So go ahead and throw the celery right in there. Put the lid on. And we're going to do this for about 4 seconds at speed 5. So this is a finer chop. If you want it to be less fine, you're going to obviously turn the dial down, probably between 3 and 4. Alright, so thank you so much again for joining me. Hopefully you've learned a little bit about how to chop your vegetables in the Thermomix TM6. Remember to play with those settings. So if you want it more chunky, do less time and lower speed. If you want it really fine and shredded, you're going to do a higher speed and longer time. And just remember that once you pass speed 6 or 7, we're getting into the blending, or even higher, you'll start pureeing the vegetables. So you want to make sure to keep it below probably 6 for chopping. If you have any questions about the Thermomix TM6, feel free to contact me. My information's in the description below. Thank you. See you guys next time.